Hello everyone, I'm actually recording this intro after the fact, but today's video I'm going to show you how to hard mount your handlebars on the Honda Shadows. So as you can see, when they come from the factory they have like rubber mounts on the inside, which reduces vibrations but makes it really wobbly when you're going for taller handlebars. So there wasn't much information online about solid mounting, so I thought I'd make a video just so it's out there. So as you can see, it's got the rubber around the outside and it's got the metal sheaths. As I said, this sheath is split up into two parts, and then effectively all you actually need to do is draw it out, find a washer that is bigger than the rubber, so it sits on the actual metal plate, and then that is literally it. That's all you have to do.
A few moments later.
So as you can see here, this one, it's very difficult to see, but you can sort of see at the bottom, it's resting on the actual metal now, instead of the metal to the rubber. You can see here it's flush against the metal thanks to that washer. So that is exactly what you're looking for. Obviously this isn't lined up, I still need to draw the second one out, but I'm going to do that. There's another video coming out specifically about the handlebar change. I thought I'd just do one side so I could set the video and showing you how to do that. Because I noticed from doing my own research, there wasn't much videos kind of explaining the process of it. So I hope you all enjoyed. This is a little sneak peek at the risers I bought. It's got these in the Z style sort of square handlebars. So yeah, hopefully, I took a little bit of time off obviously for Christmas, but hopefully the next video should be coming out in the next week or so. Thank you very much for tuning into this one. It was only a quick one just showing you how to do this, but as I said, Christmas stuff with family and just not a huge amount of time, but hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.